បាទសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់កម្មវិធីការបាំងសម្ពោធជាផ្លូវការនៃ ECI Solution Center ភ្ញៀវកិត្តិយសទាំងអស់ជាទីគោរពខ្ញុំបាទទេពច័ន្ទបញ្ញាពិតជាមានសេចក្តីសោមនស្សរីករាយយ៉ាងក្រៃលែងដែលបានទទួលភារៈជាពិធីករនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីការបាំងសម្ពោធជាផ្លូវការនៃ ECI Solution Center នៅក្នុងថ្ងៃដ៏អស្ចារ្យនេះហើយខ្ញុំបាទក៏សូមលំអរកាយគោរពនិងជំរាបសួរអាយដាមលោកជំទាវអស់លោកស្រីអ្នកនាងកញ្ញាដែលជាដៃគូសហការទាំងអង្គជាពិសេសវត្តមានរបស់ថ្នាក់ដឹកនាំគណៈគ្រប់គ្រងនិងបុគ្គលិកគ្រប់ជាន់ថ្នាក់ទាំងអស់ដែលបានអញ្ជើញចូលរួមជាកិត្តិយសនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃដ៏មានអត្ថន័យមួយនេះផងដែរតាមដានទស្សនាជាមួយនឹងការ live ផ្ទាល់ជាមួយនឹង page ECI Distribution ផងដែរបាទចំពោះកម្មវិធីនៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះអាចដំណើរការទៅបានដោយសារតែមានការសហការចូលរួមយ៉ាងខ្នះខ្នែងរវាងក្រុមហ៊ុន ECI Distribution ក៏ដូចជា Dell Technologies ផងដែរដូច្នេះខ្ញុំបាទក៏សូមស្វាគមន៍ចំពោះវត្តមាននៃការអញ្ជើញចូលរួមដ៏ពងពោះពីសំណាក់លោកអគ្គនាយក Lentan បាទសូមស្វាគមន៍ចំពោះវត្តមានលោកញ៉ែតចន្ទថា General Manager of ECI Distribution Welcome to Jamie Lim Senior Director ISG Channel and Pre-sale Dell Technologies Welcome to Sinhat Joshi Director APJ Channel Data Center Specialist Dell Technologies Welcome to Lok Yamnara Chef Technology Officer from ECI Distribution and welcome to Call Jisen from Dell Technologies បាទសូមអរគុណ
បាទសូមស្វាគមន៍ partner ទាំងអស់ដែលបានអញ្ជើញចូលរួមនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីរបស់ក្រុមហ៊ុន ECI ដែលមាន title ឈ្មោះថា ECI Solution Center មានវត្តមានជាពិសេសដោយខាង MC លើកឡើងគឺយើងមាន Jamie គាត់គឺជាអ្នកជំនាញខាងchannel pre-sale ISG ក៏ដូចជា SIT គាត់ជំនាញខាង data center specialist ដូច្នេះហើយខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណយ៉ាងកក់ក្ដៅមែនទែនហើយ ECI ដូចជាខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ឡើង share ទៅលើ milestone របស់យើងតាំងពីដើមរហូតដល់បច្ចុប្បន្នដែលយើងមានបទពិសោធន៍20ឆ្នាំនៅក្នុងទីផ្សារកម្ពុជានៅក្នុង channel business ហើយអ្វីដែលយើងវិវត្តមកដល់ថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងមានកម្មវិធីពិសេសការ launch ទៅលើ data center solution center របស់ ECI នៅក្នុងហ្នឹងគឺយើង exclusively យើងមាន Dell products ហើយយើងធ្វើបានថ្ងៃនេះ achievement ទាំងអស់នេះគឺបានមកពីការ support របស់ partner ទាំងអស់អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំ appreciate សូមអរគុណខ្លាំងមែនទែនបាទអរគុណបាទខ្ញុំលើកឡើងមិញអញ្ចឹងគឺបានមកពី partner ទាំងអស់ support ហើយការជឿទុកចិត្តក៏ដូចជាសង្ឃឹមជឿជាក់ថា ECI មាន commitment ធ្វើការ support partner ទាំងអស់ទៅមុខទៀតជាមួយនឹងអ្វីដែលថ្មី ECI នាំមកគឺយើងមានដូចជា solution center នឹងផ្ទាល់ហើយបើសិនជា partner មានជា opportunity ឬក៏មានជា lead ដែលយើងអាច POC ទៅកាន់អតិថិជនបានគឺយើង happy នឹងការសហការគ្នាជាមួយអតិថិជនយើងនឹងចាប់ដៃគ្នាធ្វើការជាមួយគ្នាដើម្បីយើងទទួលបានការងារឬក៏ជា project អីទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងកុំឲ្យខាតពេលយូរខ្ញុំក៏សូមអរគុណហើយសូមជូនពរ partner ទាំងអស់សំណាងល្អសុខភាពល្អហើយនឹងអាជីវកម្មទៅមុខកាន់តែរីកចម្រើនអរគុណច្រើន
Hi welcome to ECI opening and congratulations Len Chanta and team for your grand opening and thank you as well for making Dell a preferred partner right I guess we are the only other vendor who's invited today for this grand opening so you can show the partnership that we have right you also find that they have moved as well into digital banking and today you don't have to leave your house to do a lot of banking transactions and the ultimate aim for a bank is to get to what we call customer banking as an experience right at the end of the day they want to be able to reach wherever you are want to make the experience with the bank fantastic in order to get what we call a competitive advantage, right? Now, this is just an example of FSI, but it's happening across multiple industries. In manufacturing, everything is working. But in the new world, IT has changed. The way you're having conversation with your customers should be changing. Today, when your skill sets needs to be inclusive of all of these applications because you need to speak the customer's language. Yes? Now what does that mean to us, essentially? We believe that now customers are looking at what we call a data center modernization. Gone are the days where you can go to a customer and sell them a server, a storage. They are looking at how am I going to simplify everything. Now the advancements of AI, right? And all the new tech, right? Like using Ansible playbooks to automate a lot of process and things like that. It's all about simplifying your data center. So your IT skill sets don't go into all these OS maintenance and storage management and things like that. Nowadays, I can deliver infrastructure as a code. So customers are no longer wants to buy, right? So companies like Litmus for manufacturing, computer vision, right? For we also did a lot of work now with H2O.ai. If you heard about it, low code, no code, very strong in FSI industry. Today we can build all of these solutions pre-validated by us. That means when we deliver a solution to the customers, we know it works. All right, so in a nutshell, in a summary, right, you need to simplify the customer's data center. You need to have a different level of conversation with the customer. And the reason why Dell, we provide end-to-end, but we are not asking customers to compromise. Every category, we are global market leaders, right? When you piece everything together, you get better manageability, security, automation. Yeah? And these are my parting words, right? I think the data center opening is a very strategic one for us because moving forward, this is just the beginning. You have done a tour, you have done all the workshops, you've seen all the demos. Moving forward, we'll be supporting you to build more and more solutions so that you can bring it to your customers, whether you want to do POCs, you want to do demos, right? And ultimately, we can do a lot as a service offerings as well. Okay? And with that, I'll hand...
Opportunity to be at the CamTech event last 2 days, and I'm glad we could coincide this visit and be here because personally, I believe this is a unique opportunity. And yes, I understand it's a business of enterprise, but I think it can have really meaningful impact for the people in Cambodia. We have seen growth, and I can stand here and say this very confidently and very honestly. Across APJ, I haven't seen a better training facility. This is by far the best world-class training facility I've seen till date, actually. And I've been to some fantastic partner offices, but this is huge commitment. So really, my hats off to you. Okay, I wanted to get that out. And now I also realize that Len has also invested. Keep it a bit short. Okay. So I wanted to start off with an example, and you will see somebody else's name here, but this is just like you, another partner who have actually made significant amount of money and success with the solution I'm going to talk about. And you can see this. They actually leverage our technology to offer it as a service to their customers and address concerns around data sovereignty, address concerns around data localization, at the same time offer capabilities which are there for customers to leverage. And the price point is a very interesting one. I had to do some conversion, but I realized that with data domain, and some of you probably are familiar with data domain technology, but it's a deduplication engine which saves data by optimizing space. Multiple copies of the data do not consume that much space. You can actually store it for, maybe if you're getting 20x deduplication, you can store 20 terabytes for $100 a month. That is a good investment. Your customers will absolutely love this kind of solution. And they can offer not just one, multiple services like this. So since Len has already made the investment, you can actually leverage those infrastructure, like Jamie said, and host your services for your end customers here. In different stages of this procurement cycle, that's fine, but that the facilities are there for you to leverage. And I'm going to talk a bit more about this as well. if I can get the clicker going. Wow. Can I get some help? Sorry. Seems like frozen. A copy of that data goes over to the vault, and then the air gap is established again. And the copy of the data is actually made immutable, which means no matter what, whatever happens, your data will be safe and will be available. You don't risk losing your data. So at no position, you will actually have to go back to the bad actors and negotiate with them. That's the guarantee you have with the solution. After that, you don't need to do any kind of recovery. Your customer can use the AI engine which is built in to analyze the data and look for signs of compromise, whether the data is already compromised, whether there is sign of ransomware, some kind of malware exists in the data. You can actually scan this without needing to restore. That's the secret sauce of the solution. You might be sending 20 terabytes here, and you can actually scan it, analyze it without doing any recovery. You don't see any recovery requirements there. The AI engine has reverse engineered that catalog, and they can directly analyze it in real time. If required, you can then do recovery options. And you can have data coming out so that it integrates with your existing operations. You don't need to monitor it separately, manage it separately. In fact, for the most part, we recommend this vault be hidden for most of your admin teams. People don't need to have access. People don't even need to know that you have a vault, because that will then become a target. Ransomware will try to target it as well. Okay. What kind of data you send in the vault besides the critical applications? You actually send your backup metadata or your backup data which you need to protect, or you need to rebuild your backup server, and you send into the vault. Well, the ratio by itself may not necessarily lead to savings, but it allows you to keep many more copies of your data in the vault. Thank you for the question.